Alright guys, got a special video for you. We're over actually at Irongate right now, where I'm standing right in the middle of a showroom of Chicago motor cars. And they're revealing their new condo complex. It's called Irongate Motor Park. And actually, these are mainly for rent, where you can store your cars in. So we're going to go over that in a minute. So I want to show you this 570 GT. Now, would you guys get one of these? I just talking to a gentleman, he's like, yeah, they're really great downpipe in the tune, and they're like really fast. Let's take a look. All right, this is a 570 GT. This is basically just the same body style as the GT, but it's a 570. But look at this. Got the nice wheels. It looks just like a GT. But I was just talking to somebody, and I like the color, the matte white. But yeah, they said these are really quick. It's got that extra trunk space in the GT. This one doesn't. But look at this. And these are so much like underpriced. I'm gonna have to look it up and let you guys know. But let me know in the comments if you already know. Alright, got a pretty sexy Dodge Viper RT V10. Of course with the manual transmission. I'm not a big fan of this style. I like the other styles better, but these are still amazing. I would drive it. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I will buy one. I will drive it. All right. Now let's get back to why we're really here. All right. This is Irongate's new buildings that they're building. Now, for the standard 20 by 50, these are for sale for $349. And this is what it would look like with your cars in there. And if you want a mezzanine, it's gonna be a little bit more. I think it's $25,000 per foot. If I'm not mistaken, that the more information will come out. But if you want to add a mezzanine, of course that'd be a little bit more for it. But for a 20 by 50 unit, that's not bad at all. You can hold 4 cars, have the chill spot right upstairs, the bathroom, and then it'll be heated and cooling. So that's pretty good. And then now you got the 10 by 20. These are rentals for like what? $300, not even $300 a month to store your car. If you want to lift, that'd be of course an upcharge, and then an extra $50 per car that you would have in there. But come on, you're at Irongate and you're storing your car for $300 a month. You got a Lamborghini, a Huracan, Porsche. You can put it all in there. Your bikes, that'd be pretty cool. So that'd be pretty well worth it. I think this would be a good event for Irongate. And then this is what it's going to look like. So this is the exit of Irongate. That's like right over there, and you get about 200 storages right here. So that's going to be really huge. And I did get word that they are going to have it incorporated with the Irongate condos. So that's going to be pretty cool. So these are going to be the bigger units, the small units, obviously more of the bigger ones. So. All right, let's get back to the cars. We got another Viper SRT10, the convertible, of course. Now look at this GT2 RS. This has the YSEC package on it. Yes, carbon fiber. Yeah, look at this YSEC package. This is sick. The Alcantara. Now I got to show you the special Porsche. Can't remember the name of it, but look at the insides of it. I like the two-tone gray, but look at these seats in the interior. Look at that. I'm kind of digging it. I liked it. Now this is something that you're not going to take out on a track in, because of course it does have the back seats back there. But look at this. This does look sick. The big old wheels. Yeah, this is nice. This is actually the Porsche 911 Sport Classic. And then you got a 550 Maranello, gated at that. This thing is nice and clean, mint. Look at that. That is sick. Nice. Gated manual. All right, now you can never go wrong with a Huracan STO. This looks like somebody's car we know. I'm not too sure. But look at this. I love that back grate on that. That looks sick. The black, all tinted windows. The windshield's even tinted, so it looks really good. Now let's take a look at this Rolls Royce. This thing's just straight luxury. I don't know why you would get one, because you're gonna have to sit in the back anyway. That back room space. That is sick. I would have to get this if I had a driver. This is a short little video. When more information comes out about the irongate motor part, we will give you more information on it. But this is a short little video to give you guys a heads up, especially if you're in for the Chicagoland area and you want to hide your cars or park them somewhere where nothing's going to happen to them. This is a great spot for it. So for more information, big shout out to Chicago Motor Cars for hosting this event. Until next time, guys, stay humble.